surprisingly Geeky.
We saw you in a bit.
It has now been a bit. This is Lunar Dawn on deck.
Hi. Oh wait, you know what? I didn't even look at my map and see where he is.
You just got it for me.
Yeah. I think I've got to traverse this little area to get to him anyway.
Oh man, you're so tired now.
Yeah, seriously, you slept until 11 o'clock today.
I know, you did too.
Well, I was tired. Oops.
And
Death count 20.
so this is, since I technically played a bit, this is more like a death count for this playthrough than your death count now.
Well, just, I mean, how many times did you die? Not that many times.
Twice, I think.
So it's still legitimately my, have I been here before?
That's funny.
Yeah, he just moved me out of the way, Longback.
Like, citizen, I'm burning things. So I'm gonna try something a bit different with our pizza.
What are we doing with our pizza?
So, you know, usually I would like flatten out the dough, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then put everything on and then cook it.
Mm-hmm.
What I'm gonna try is I'm gonna try like flattening out the dough and then cooking the dough first and then putting everything on it and then cooking it again.
Is this a legitimate thing?
It's something that I've heard has been done.
Because I worked in a pizza shop and we never did anything like that.
No?
No. Why do you want to do that?
Because, I don't know if you remember, but the last time, like the center, like some of the pizza dough was like so thin that it was basically like liquidy. Or not liquidy, but it was just really thin. And like some of the sauce would like drip through sometimes.
I guess, but it was just us. I mean, I ate it with a fork anyway. At least I did eat it with a fork after I burned myself. That was horrible. I had an actual, like, burn mark on my lip for like a week, which scabbed over. Nobody said anything about it. But I'm sure it didn't look very good. Alright, buddy. Here's your thing.
Just with the aspect of Singapore.
If he likes me.
I wonder what the percentage is of my sister like.
It would have been nice to have this earlier, though.
It's like Mr. Zircon Light.
Yeah. Oh, I love Mr. Zircon. I can't wait until we can actually have Mr. Zircon.
Seriously, it's like the best upgrade.
I like this guy here. He's kind of cool. He's like, okay, that's the gun you really want. Guess you can have it. 5,000 volts.
When did we start playing it?
I don't know. It's been a while. Quarks HQ. Oh, that's fine. It makes me hungry though.
Yeah, I can see that.
Very open to the power of suggestion. There. There. Almost 6?
I think it's almost 7.
No way.
Yeah, it's almost 7.
No. Wow. It is a quarter to 7. Jesus. Jessup?
It's just,
Oh, no, wait, I do. I get this punch glove that doesn't take any ammo.
oh yeah. So yeah, so we need to make like a little logo.
Why am I not wearing my hat?
I don't know. So yeah, we need a little logo for like your avatar. And we need like
For who's that?
for the surprisingly geeky for the channel.
Which channel? This channel?
Yeah, the channel that we're streaming on right
Oh,
now.
okay.
We can also use it for the Facebook page when we get that up, and the Twitter account. We can do that.
Probably do that today.
Yeah. And we need
Wait, we're doing Twitter too?
man.
You'll be looking after that.
I don't know. We need like all the.
You're
We need-
excited.
I'm excited. I'm excited at this whole thing because I think that we could really make this whole thing work. It'll take a while.
Hold on a second. Can you pause that? I gotta take a phone. I gotta take a phone.
Yeah.
Hello? Yeah.
I will continue playing and immediately die.
Oh.
Continue? Oh, yes. So cute.
Okay. Yeah, we'll do it next time because we're kind of busy right now. So.
Alright.
But that's okay. It's not. We're not in a huge rush to get it done. So.
Continue
Yeah.
playing.
Okay. Thank you. Bye. Sorry about that.
So what was that about?
That was our landlord. He wanted to know if we would like our carpets cleaned tonight.
Tonight as in right now, or tonight as in tonight? Okay.
Like right now. So I said next time. Very nice.
Totally. It's awesome. This place has so many pros. I feel so much better about living here than I did when I was just living here.
Seriously. I'm good at choosing places, bruh. Okay, I didn't restock my ammo.
So I played while you were gone, and immediately basically just walked off the edge accidentally.
Yeah, I was wondering why when I got back I had to start over. Oh, my phone gave me a scare. I'm not very good with phones, guys.
So that's surprisingly geeky. Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time.